Today I'm going to be reviewing the Max Factor lip glazes. These are the new 2000 calorie lip glazes and oh my gosh, they are so nice. And then Max Factor sent me the whole range, so I thought we could have a look at them all. So I'm going to swatch them, I'm going to show them what they look like on the lips, and yeah, I can't wait to show you guys. This collection we've got 7 different shades. The first shade we have is Caramel Swish. Like a nice little peachy brown colour. It's very nice. Okay, so that is Caramel Swish, and I just think that it's just the most prettiest colour and it looks really nice on the lips. I feel like this one might be one of my favourites. It's like the perfect nudie peachy colour. I just think it suits so many different skin tones, and this one is called Caramel Swish and it's just so nice. Then have Floral Cream, which is this really nice pinky colour. This is more of your rosy colour. This is just so pretty. And by the way, the formula of these are amazing. They are so creamy and so nice, and all of them have a different scent as well. Like, you really need to smell them. They're just really good. So that is what the pink one looks like, and again, I really love it. I just think it looks so pretty. It's got a very nice little sheeny to it, like it's not got iridescent sparkles in or anything like that. It's just really nice and it just looks so nice with all sort of makeup. We then have Melting Ice. This is one of my favourites. I first got sent this one and I fell in love with it, and then I just wanted to try them all and they sent them. This is just your perfect clear lip gloss, but it's just so nice and it smells unbelievable. I love it. Let me do a swatch for this one as well. There's not really much to swatch, but it is literally just clear. Then have Berry Sorbet, which is more of a darker colour. As you can see, it's more of a darker rosy pink. Really like clear and pink, and then others are quite bright and intense. And that is your Berry Sorbet. It's such a nice colour. They all smell like deliciousness. That is the Berry Sorbet. How nice is that? Love. Then we have Cotton Candy. This is one of my absolute favourites. I wear this every single day at the moment. It is like the most peachiest colour. It's so pretty. And let me swatch this one. Again, it's very clear, but it's got such a lovely scent to it. And it's got such a lovely colour shade to it. But it smells so good. And honestly, it's not sticky. It's not tacky. It's just the perfect like lip balmy, lip oil kind of feel. They're so good and so affordable because they're drugstore. Next we have Guava Flare, which is this beautiful nude colour. I'm really excited to try this one. I actually haven't tried this one yet. It does look nice. Ooh, yes, that is definitely a bit of me. This one smells delicious, honestly. This one is Guava Flare. Definitely. I mean, they're all my favourite. They're just so good. Like, honestly, they're so good. Last one we have is Pink Fizz, which sounds really nice. This is going to be more of a pinky colour. Ooh. This one is Pink Fizz. How nice is that? I can't wait to try this out. Okay, have I just found my new favourite? I love something with like a nice shimmer to it. It's got like, can you see them like iridescent shimmers? I really love that. So they are all of the 7 shades that you can grab for yourself. I will link these down below. These were gifted to me, but I wasn't told to post about them. It's literally me popping on here. How much I love them, how much I wanted to review them. I was so excited to show you guys. And I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you can check them out. And I really hope that you are looking forward to seeing me do some more makeup, because that's my era that I seem to be in at the moment, is I'm doing makeup on TikTok, makeup on Instagram, and I'm just vlogging on YouTube, but I just genuinely miss doing makeup as well. So yeah, I'm really grateful that you guys voted for makeup as well as vlogs, and I will see you again very soon, and please subscribe for more. Bye.